YouTube SEO is one of the best ways to grow your business organically. Making YouTube videos like the ones like the one you're watching right now, or YouTube form videos like the one you see on screen. Some of the fastest ways to start getting recommended by AI and ranking on Google, as well as ranking inside of Google's search results, because a lot of people use YouTube as a search engine, and because AI chatbots search Google and they surface and use YouTube as a platform, as a source of information very often. It's in fact the number one platform cited by AI. But I understand that it's difficult to make YouTube videos. I'm still just getting comfortable talking to the camera myself. What works for me is yapping videos, and while editing still takes time, I leverage Claude Code to edit my videos, and I actually created a Claude skill to make videos like the one you see on screen, short form videos, with the purpose of ranking on Google, getting picked up by AI, and getting customers from AI search, and customers from Google, traditional Google search as well. You will still get views from the YouTube algorithm, and you may go viral now and then. But the purpose of this particular strategy is to target search engines. The idea is to find high buying intent keywords, make the videos about those keywords, and optimize your videos, your title, your descriptions, everything, even the file name, adding tags, and then linking to your videos and repurposing your videos to other platforms like Medium, uh, Substack, GitHub, your own website. That all works and helps your videos rank higher. Before we continue, my name is Borja Beso. I'm the co-founder of Distribb, where we run these and several other SEO playbooks and workflows for our customers to help them get clients from Google and AI search. You can see the different case studies that we have on page. Hear what customers have to say, just so you know that you won't be wasting your time for the next 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. Now, the number one step is you want to do keyword research. Find high buying intent keywords. Forget about DIY, uh, low quality, how to type keywords. You want to find keywords that people are using to when they're ready to buy something, right? When they have their credit cards on hand. That's the number one thing. When you use the skill and you install it, which by the way is a general SEO skill. It's not just a video generation skill. This particular video playbook is part of the skill, and it teaches Claude how to edit videos, and how to use different tools like OpenAI's ChatGPT 2 or NanoBanana for generating images. They're all built into the skill, and how to use Seedance to animate those images. If you use the free version of the skill, you will have to bring your own API keys. If you use the paid version of the Distribb skill, we will run all the costs on your behalf. Okay, so this is the skill. This is the GitHub repo. What you see on screen is the GitHub repo of the skill. You just copy that link, you bring it over to Claude, and you just tell it, "Hey, install this skill." Install. Boop. You punch it, and that's it. It will know how to do. It will know what to do. You sign up to Distribb, either with the free or with the pro plan. You do your onboarding, and it helps the skill learn about your business, learn about your competitors, do competitor gap analysis to find the keywords that your competitors are targeting that you're not targeting. Select the ones with the highest intent and lowest competition. It also uses search volume as a driver, but our priority is intent and competition, because AI still runs searches and finds those pieces of content, even if Google is not reporting on the search volume for those particular high intent keywords, which happens a lot of times. And and you could do other things like create content for your blog, connect your website, connect your social media. It's not yet available for everyone, but it will be very helpful for pushing the videos that we're discussing on this video right here. Now, Going back to the video, this is a Vox style video, an explainer type of documentary video, 30 seconds. Again, the purpose is to get it ranking when you do a search like automated link building. You can see our videos actually there just after a few minutes, a couple hours of having published the video initially. Okay. And there's a channel, a very famous channel called In a Nutshell, that gets millions of views for their animated videos. Of course, they don't publish AI slop. They've been around for years and years. They're very established, but the explainer documentary style videos work very well in general terms. And that's the idea, to leverage AI to try to replicate them. And you will still get between 500 to 1,000 views from the YouTube algorithm. But what we are targeting is those people who are actually searching for those uh, keywords on ChatGPT. So ChatGPT surfaces the video, recommends your brand, right? So you install the skill and you just tell Claude, hey, I want to run the YouTube, run the YouTube workflow, and it will know what to do. It will know what you're referring to. You don't have to specify, I want these type of images and then use this thing and then create a voiceover. None of that, because it's all built into the video itself, into the skill itself. Okay. Now I want to show you what the video itself looks like real quick. Let's go and play it.
Here's Google's dirty secret. The sites on page 1 usually aren't the best. They just have the most backlinks. A backlink is another website vouching for you, and getting them means cold emailing strangers, begging for links, and getting ignored. So people automated it. Instead of chasing links one by one, businesses join a network and swap links automatically. The work that used to take months of outreach now runs quietly in the background. That is automated link building. Here's Google.
Right. So the video is talking about the exchange network that we have on Distribb. Because when you join Distribb and you publish content through Distribb, you're matched with other users, and that way you can get backlinks, and that's what it's talking about. And you can tailor it to talk about anything you want, obviously. But you don't necessarily have to. You don't only have to use these type of explainer videos or short form videos. Here's another type of video that I like running a lot, which is targeting my competitors' review keywords. Full disclaimer: when you do this, you want to be very objective. If your competitor actually has a lot of good reviews, say it up front, and only use reviews that are publicly available. You want to use factual, verifiable information, because you don't want to get in trouble or anything like that. Let's just have a look at these other style of videos that the skill can do for you. It's a great strategy, by the way.
711 reviews, 93%, 5 stars. So let's be fair. Most people who buy it are happy, and for a lot of them, setup really is 5 minutes. But I read the 1 and 2 star reviews, all of them. And the complaints aren't random. The same handful of problems come up over.
All right, so you can see that it starts by disclaiming the overall feeling of the tool. It has a lot of good reviews, and for a lot of people, it works great. But then it goes into reading the 1 and star and 2 star reviews. It actually takes screenshots of those reviews. It uses browser use to take those screenshots and then edit them on the video. The captions, the motion graphics, everything you see is already built into the skill. It uses Remotion and Hagen hyperframes to make these animations. And at the end, something optional that you can do that I recommend. Obviously, you want to promote your video, your business at the end, because that's the purpose of the whole strategy is ranking for your competitors. A person starts watching the video, you say, okay, this is why they're good, this is why they're bad, this is why our business is a better alternative. And what we do is we actually show real testimonials. So at the end of the summary of what my competitor looks like and what the reviews looks like and the screenshots and everything, then appends a set of good reviews from our own customers. Okay, so that's a fantastic strategy, because not a lot of people are out there trying to target your competitor reviews as a keyword. And that's, in a nutshell, what this strategy is about. I'll leave it at this. I'll drop a link in the description for the skill, and for Distribb if you want to try any of the pro plans. Because, by the way, if you are on the Accelerator plan, we create the videos and we publish them to our network of users and accounts. You don't have to create your own account in order to do that. What we do is we create articles, and we for every keyword we create an article for your blog, a video for YouTube. We repurpose that video into an Instagram reel, an Instagram carousel, a Medium post like this one you see right here, a Quora answer, question and answer, even LinkedIn articles because they rank very well. So we do a full spectrum of distribution on your behalf, and that's what you get with our Accelerator plan. But if you just want to do everything yourself, this is the playbook essentially. And you can even just drop this video into Claude and say, hey, help me implement everything this guy's talking about, and just drop the skill in there. And for now, I'll leave it at that. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you thought. Like, subscribe. Let's make the algorithm happy, and I will see you on the next one.